What's up, stock investors? And in today's video, we're going to be diving into my Robinhood portfolio, where just about 3 weeks ago, I was down over 26%, and now the portfolio has rebounded about 20%. So we're going to be diving into the full portfolio. We're also going to be taking a closer look at PetMed Express, where I have a total return of 99%, which is pretty incredible. So before we dive into the juicy stuff, if this is your first time checking out the channel, I'm Mike the Investor. Be sure to go ahead and click that subscribe button so you don't miss any more videos, and smash that like button for me. It really helps out the channel, and it lets me know you all appreciate the content that I'm putting out. Now let's jump into the video. Alright, welcome back to the channel. Now we are on the Robinhood platform, and you can see my portfolio value, $7,856.93. During market hours, I was up 3.35%, which is $254.53. After hours, I was up 0.13%, which is $10.09. So now we're going to go ahead and go over to the 1 week. You can see I am up 6.61%, which is $487.26, which is not bad. And as we look at the 1 month, you can see I am up 13.89%, which is even better at $958.09. And now as we look at the 3 month, you can see I am down 14.08%, which is $1,287.72. For my 1 year, you can see I'm down 6.47%, which is $543.61. And for the all-time, it's going to be the exact same, because I have not hit that 1 year anniversary just yet. So as we go back over to the 1 year, I'm very close. April 23rd is when I first started investing. So you can see there's no money moving here in the stock market. And as I go over to April 24th, now there's money starting to move here in the stock market. So you can see that is when I first started investing, and you can see the full track record of, my full journey. You can see the valleys, the dips, the highs and the lows, and the extremely low if you've been investing. So you can see the big pullback here all the way down. And as we look here, you can see March 23rd was the lowest point of my portfolio at 26.80%, which is $2,251.48, and at that time made my portfolio $6,149.06. So that's almost 30% of my entire portfolio, but I have not sold out of any one of my positions. So now you can start to see we're starting to see some type of pullback here in the market. And as we take a look at the first stock in the portfolio, which will be Procter & Gamble, a dividend king, they just raised their dividend by 6%. So they did have 63 years of dividend growth. Now it's going to be 64 years. So that's why it's very important to invest in blue chip companies. So during market hours, they were up 4.32%. We move on down to my position. My average cost, $110.29 on 3 shares. My total equity, $371.25. My total return, I am up on this position at 12.21%, which is $40.39. The next position in the portfolio will be 3M. This is also a dividend king. They have been holding up quite well, during this market downturn as well. They were up 2.55% during market hours. We move on down to my position here. My average cost, $159.62 on 4 shares. My equity, $600.80. I'm down on this position 5.90%, which is $37.68. The next dividend king in my portfolio will be Johnson & Johnson. They need no introduction. They also just increased their dividend by 6%. They beat their earnings per share by 30 cents. So extremely powerful powerhouse company, blue chip company. And this is one reason why I own Johnson & Johnson. They're definitely going to be here when the smoke clears, and this is a recession-proof company in my opinion. So as we can see, during market hours, they were up 4.48%. We move on down here to my position. My average cost, $139.71 on my 4 shares. My total equity, $590.40. I am up on this position at 5.65%, which is $31.58. The next dividend king in my portfolio, Coca-Cola, they also do not need any introduction. You can see they were up 4.24% during market hours. We move on down here to my position. My average cost $52.15 on 6 shares. My total equity $293.94. I'm down on this position 6.06%, which is $18.95. And now we look at the last dividend king in my portfolio, ticker symbol MO, Altria. This is in the consumer staples sector. They deal with the tobacco industry. They also have plays in the cannabis industry as well. You can see they were up 4.15%. We move on down to the position. My average cost $47.63 on 10 shares. My total equity $420, and I'm down on this position 11.81%, which is $56.27. After looking at Altria, we move down to the first dividend aristocrat in my portfolio, which means they've been growing their dividend for at least 25 years and counting. Archer Daniels and Midland. You can see during market hours they were up 3.24%. We move on down here to the position. My average cost $39.02 on 4 shares. My total equity $148.96. My total return, I'm down on this position at 4.56%, which is $7.11. The next position in the portfolio will be AT&T, another dividend aristocrat. They were up 3.11%. They are in the communication services sector. You can see my average cost $31.25 on 5 shares. My total equity $155.90. I'm down 0.24%, which is 37 cents. After AT&T, we move down to Microsoft. Very large company. This is the largest position in my portfolio. They were up 4.95%. One of my favorite companies and favorite holdings that I have in the portfolio. My average cost $171.87 on 5 shares. My total equity $866.25, and I'm back up on this position at 0.80%, which is $6.90. And also Microsoft have been growing their dividend for 16 years, so a very powerful tech company. The next position in the portfolio will be Starbucks, another large position in my portfolio. They were up 2.66% during market hours. My average cost $87.05 on 10 shares. My total equity $733, and I'm down on this position 15.79%, which is $137.45. After Starbucks, we move on down to Disney, another large company that I think is going to be here when the smoke clears. Their hands are in so many things, and I think they're super diverse as well. They had 10 years of dividend growth, as well as Starbucks has 10 years of dividend growth as well. And you can see they were up 2.44%, which I think they are still extremely undervalued. We move on down to my position here. My average cost $117.68 on 4 shares. My average cost is $117.68 on 6 shares. My total equity $637.86. I'm still down on this position at 9.66%, which is $68.23. After Disney, we move on down to PetMed Express. They also have been growing their dividend for 10 years as well, and you can see they were up 4.48% during market hours. We move on down here to my position here, and you can see my average cost $15.82 on 10 shares. My total equity $314.80. And now as we look at my total return, you can see I am up 99.5%, which is $156.65. So I pretty much receive all of my investment back on this position here, which is pretty incredible in less than a year. So I'm going to go ahead and hit the show more button here. So now as you can see, their 52-week high is $31.87, which is pretty much where it is right now. Market price $31.48, and their 52-week low is $15. So now I'm going to go ahead and scroll down a little bit here, and even with them missing, you can see they miss earnings 3 times in the past, back to back, but you can still see the performance of the stock even during this market downturn. So now I'm going to hit the show more here. So now you can see I've been receiving dividends from this company as well every quarter. You can see I want to show you my very first purchase, July 8th, 5 shares at $15.60, and then I purchased the next 5 shares July 26th at $16.03, and I haven't purchased any more shares since then, which I do regret not purchasing more into this position. After pets, we move on down to Pfizer here, another large medical company, and you can see they were up 3.70%. We move on down to my position here. Average cost is $39.05 on 10 shares. My total equity, $364.50. I'm down on this position at 6.65%, which is $25.97. The next position in the portfolio will be the AES Corporation. This is a utility and a gas company here. You can see they were down 1.27%. One of the few companies I was down during market hours today. You can see my average cost, $16.05 on 10 shares. We move over to my equity, $140.10, and I'm down on this position at 12.71%, which is $20.40. The next position in the portfolio will be Bank of America. This is the second largest bank in America. You can see they were down 0.79% during market hours. Looking at my position here, my average cost $28.57 on 10 shares. My total equity $237.20, and I'm down on this position at 16.98%, which is $48.53. After Bank of America, we move down to Realty Income, ticker symbol O. This is the first real estate investment trust in my portfolio. You can see they were up 5.17% during market hours. Moving on down to my position, my average cost $72.14 on 10 shares. My total equity $563.10, and I'm down on this position at 21.95%, which is $158.32. Moving down to the next REIT in my portfolio will be Stag Industrial. They are in the industrial industry. You can see they were up 3.21%. My average cost $29.89 on 10 shares. My total equity $270, and I'm down on this position at 9.65%, which is $28.85. After Stag, we move on down to Innovative Industrial Properties, also known for the ticker symbol IIPR. During market hours, they were up 4.81%. This is a REIT also in the cannabis industry. They invest in facilities that they rent out to growers, scientists that they use to make different products and grow these products, which I think is a very, very incredible idea and a very slick play in the cannabis industry without having too much full exposure. But I do believe this REIT will be extremely valuable when the cannabis industry does pop. So we move on down here to the position. My average cost $74.49 on 5 shares. Looking at my total equity, $382.25. I'm up on this position at 2.63%, which is $9.79. Now the last REIT in my portfolio will be Apple Hospitality REIT. They actually suspended their dividend recently. You can see they were up just 0.93% during market hours. We move on down to my position. My average cost $14.58 on 50 shares. My total equity $434.50, and I'm down on this position 40.40%, which is $294.48. So I'm down quite a bit on this position here. And as we look at the last position in my portfolio, SPHD, this is a ETF, also known as an exchange traded fund. PowerShares S&P 500, high dividend, low volatility ETF. They were up 1.76% during market hours. We move on down to my position. My average cost $42.87 on 10 shares. My total equity $329.90. And for my total return, I'm down on this position at 23.5 cents, which is $98.83. So these are all 19 holdings in my portfolio, one ETF, and then 18 individual stocks that I have in this portfolio. I have not sold out of any one of my positions. I've been holding strong even during the market downturn. All right, investors, so that is all 19 holdings here in my Robinhood portfolio. If you like this video and you gain some value from it, be sure to go ahead and smash that like button for me. It really helps out the channel and it lets me know you all appreciate the content that I'm putting out. And be sure to go ahead and click that subscribe button as well, so that way I can see you all back next video. And real quick, if you want to earn some free passive income for surfing the web like you already do in the form of cryptocurrency, check out the link down in my description box. It is called the Brave browser. It's completely free and millions of people are using it, and it benefits content creators like myself and you the most. But I'm Mike the Investor. Remember to stay inspired, stay motivated, invest in yourself, and I will see you guys back next time.